Alright, y'all, this is me from the future. This is going in front of this video that is going to be up. It's supposed to be installing that Midland radio on the 4455. Well, some of the footage got corrupted, so I had to splice the good parts together into this video, and then I got a clip at the end from this morning that showed you the final product. So I don't know why. It's GoPro Hero. Is this a 5 I bought? I don't remember. Sometimes it'll do that. It did it a couple times last year. It'll just lose its sound, and I don't know. So I'm just going to try to splice what good footage I got here, and we'll put in this video in front of you. So there you go. Now back to regular scheduled programming. Alright, as you can tell, I'm sitting inside the 4455 here. And these are the Midlands I got for this harvest season. They're the MTX115s. Farm tractor bundle. The first two I bought, I got a real good deal on. And then I had to order that third one afterwards, so that one ran a little bit more expensive. But I mean, still, this, for all three of them, it was under 400 bucks, I think. So yeah, whatever. So like I said, we installed the one on the combine. When did we do that? 2 nights ago. Sunday night. It's Tuesday night now. It's October. Today. Today's the 12th of October, believe it or not. So anyway, I've got this one mounted. That's about the only good place I can think to put it. The main reason why I went with the 115s is you can plug it straight into the cigarette lighter. Don't have to hardwire anything. I don't know. I don't like wiring things. Nobody really does. So this felt like a pretty good option to do. So that's what somebody just jumped the tracks. They made it. So that felt like a pretty good idea to do. So I'm gonna prop y'all up here somewhere, and we'll install it. Just plug this in. Right? Yeah, square to square, zero, circle to circle. Alright, it's plugged in. We'll run that in behind the scale to mess with doing that. So, the sun is going to be right in the damn way. We'll find me a ladder here and we'll go up top. Alright, this is off. That's where it's blue. What? Looks good. That's blue. Alright. Alright, now we'll feed this. That's interesting. In the combine, the cigarette lighter goes off with the key, but not this one. So we're going to have to remember to turn that off when we're leaving, or pull that out. Okay, interesting, very interesting. Alright, so I had a bunch of video of me installing this Midland radio on this 4455, and most of the damn files got corrupted for somehow. So I can only use a little bit of it, and yeah, oh well, I'll see what I can use of it. So what the hell is that? Oh, a load of hay going down the road. Anyway, we'll go up there in the cab here in a second, but we put the duals on last night. They're on there, so yes, they're balder than bald. This whole tractor needs back tires, but I don't know. We'll just have to see how things play out on that. That's going to be expensive, because these are 20.8 38, so they're 38-inch tires, and 4 of them. That's going to be expensive. Alright, so yeah, and that damn spider web. Spider made another web last night. So we'll go up in here and look at it. There she be. That was the best place I could find to mount that. I mean, I probably could have mounted it right there, now that I'm thinking about it. Probably should. I don't know why. Well, I don't think there's enough room right there. Oh well, whatever. It's in here, and then got this. That might get a little annoying, but I'll be the one majority of the time in here this fall. So, and like I said, runs off the cigarette lighter. That way we didn't have to hardwire anything. So yeah. The only thing is I gotta remember to turn it off because it's still got power. So, yeah. Actually, let me just start this up. Alright. Didn't lose any juice overnight, so that's good. Oh, man. So, yeah, that's, we're ready to go with that. And it is foggy as crap this morning. I mean, it is terrible. So the sun was supposed to be shining today and tomorrow, and then 100% chance of rain Friday. Of course. It always rains when I take a stint off from work, but whatever. So, up here, the we put the grain table in here last night to go over it. I actually need this tractor here this morning. go do another task. So yeah, as far as everything on this, I think all it needs is grease. I'm looking at the sickles. And I don't see any broke ones. Okay. But yeah, head needs greased, and there's a couple of plastic pieces missing. That's what's right here. The rivets and that stuff. But you got to take the head off the header cart to do that. And the combine is at the bean field that we're going to start at some point. So, oh well. We can do that in the field. But like I said, I'm going to take the 6310. I got to go do a quick job real quick. And then I'll come back.